Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana strong!
Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Komodo! Mechana gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana fast!
Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Monkey Island. Animal Mechanical Mission Time! Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today. Great! Your destination is Mechana Monkey Island.
Cool! Mechana monkeys are fun!
The Mechana monkeys live way up on top of Mechana Monkey Mountain. Your mission is to bring them their special Mechana banana, which is at the bottom of the mountain.
Bring some monkeys a banana? That doesn't sound like a very big mission.
Oh, you may be surprised. Mechana bananas are very tricky to move.
No problem for Animal Mechanicals.
Oh, and one more thing. Be careful going up Mechana Monkey Mountain. It's full of surprises that make it hard to climb. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Monkey Mountain.
Does anyone see the Mechana banana?
I believe this is it.
Wow! Now I see why the Mechana monkeys can't bring the banana up the mountain themselves.
And why Island Owl said it was tricky to move.
It's the biggest banana I've ever seen!
We better start moving it.
The mighty Sasquatch will handle this.
Sasquatch, be careful. Mechana bananas are very heavy and very slippery.
Komodo, be careful. Mechana bananas are very heavy and very slippery.
You learn something new every day.
This banana is too heavy to move.
Even with all of us together!
We're not strong enough.
It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for Animal Mechanicals. This is a job for Rex. Mechana strong!
Go, Rex, go! I love watching Rex move heavy stuff.
He's super strong!
Strong like a titanium Tyrannosaurus.
Let's climb this mountain!
The Island Owl warned us that Mechana Monkey Mountain is full of surprises.
Everyone be extra careful. Don't touch anything.
Ooh, pretty flowers. I wonder if they have a nice smell.
Sasquatch, be careful. Mechana sunflowers can be very frisky.
Huh? Komodo, you might find this interesting. Mechana sunflowers can be very frisky.
What would I ever do without you?
Hey, that tickles!
Whoa!
Stop tickling. I I am very sensitive.
Retreat!
How are we going to get past these silly sunflowers?
They keep tickling us.
It will be quite a challenge. On sunny days, Mechana sunflowers become super frisky. And as you can see, today is a very sunny day.
It sure is sunny. I guess we'll just have to wait until nighttime when the sun goes down.
But if we do that, it will be dark, and we'll never be able to find our way up the mountain.
I know what to do. We just need to, poof! Make the sun disappear.
Sasquatch, you're brilliant!
I am. How am I brilliant?
You said we need to make the sun disappear, and I know a way to do that, even in the middle of the day. This is a job for... Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Look! Unicorn is using her magic horn to push clouds in front of the sun.
That's how she's making the sun disappear. The clouds are blocking the sun, so we can't see it anymore.
It's getting darker.
Yeah! And the sunflowers are closing up.
And not tickling us.
Great work, Unicorn. Animal Mechanicals, on the move.
Hey, it's raining.
Maybe I got too many clouds.
Well, what's that sound?
It could be thunder. Just take cover!
Come on! Aw, it's just some piddly little mushrooms.
Whoa! Uh-oh!
Yikes!
And one really big mushroom.
Fascinating. Mechana mushrooms can grow quite big, but this is an unusually large specimen.
How am I going to get down from this massive mushroom?
Woohoo! These Mechana mushrooms are bouncy. It's like a playground here. All we need now is a fun slide.
Woo! Sasquatch, that is another brilliant idea.
It is? I mean, it is. What is my brilliant idea?
If we had a slide stretching from the top of the mushroom to the ground, Rex could slide down.
But, Komodo, we don't have a slide.
But we do have something that can stretch from the ground to the top of the mushroom.
Wait a minute. I just had another brilliant idea. I can stretch up to the mushroom, and Rex can slide down me.
He's a genius.
Behold, the mighty Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy!
Sasquatch is super stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Keep stretching, Sasquatch. You're almost here.
There's plenty of stretch left in Sasquatch. Mushroom, here I come!
Yes, he did it!
Great work, Sasquatch. Okay, time for a slidey ride. Yeah! Woohoo!
That tickles.
Yay!
Great work, Sasquatch. Okay, now to get this big banana the rest of the way up Mechana Monkey Mountain. Here we are. The top of Mechana Monkey Mountain.
And here are the Mechana monkeys.
They sure are happy to see us.
And their banana.
We brought the Mechana banana to the Mechana monkeys. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
I wonder what they're going to do with such a big banana.
Eat it, I guess.
It really doesn't look too tasty.
It's kind of rubbery and bouncy.
They're riding it down the mountain!
Oh, no! I just had a thought. Once the Mechana monkeys get to the bottom, they're going to want us to bring the banana back up the mountain again.
Mechana, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!
Yippee!